Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to announce the winners of my Do It Better contest. Because there were so many people that participated, I decided to show you the first 20 designs and then I will continue with the top 10. So in total I will show you today 30 designs that I loved from this contest. So let's begin. So on the 10th place we have planetarium work from the Girio, I think that's the name, and I really loved this original idea and overall I like the way it was designed. On the 9th place we have Cerveros art with this tentacles planet, and I really loved the idea because it was original and also I love the colors. I'm really happy because he followed really well the tutorial and made his own original idea. It looks really nice. On the 8th place we have Alexandra's entry, and I really love her original idea. It was really different than the others, and even if her design needs some more work, I really enjoy watching it. On the 7th place we have Alex Palachan work, and I really love this idea of those two guys fighting. It was also original. I really like what he did there. On the 6th place we have this wonderful artwork from Leah PC Art, and it looks really great. I think she did a really nice job here. On the 5th place we have this yummy design from Ifra Designs, and I really loved the colors that he used and also that he followed my tutorial really well, and I love also this original idea that he had. On the 4th place we have designed by Wakas, I think that's the pronunciation, and I really love his clean work, and I must congratulate him also because he followed my tutorial really well. This is a really clean work and congrats to him. On the 3rd place we have the end, not the end of today's video, but that's his name, and I really love the colors that he used and overall the clean work that he did in this design. So for the 2nd and the 1st place was really hard to choose a winner, but I had to do it, and even if this design took the 2nd place, I really loved it because last week I posted something similar with the Little Prince, and Io Claudio did a really great job with this design, and I must congratulate him. Thank you so much for your time spent in creating this one. Congratulations, and I cannot wait to see your next entries to my future contest. So for the 1st place we have this amazing design from DGR Visuals. As I said, was really hard to choose a winner, but I really loved his design the most, and I love the colors, I love the clean work that he did here. You can see that he's really great in taking care of all the details. Only one suggestion, I would have made that rocket bigger. I think this design deserved to win, and congratulations DGR Visuals, you are the first winner of my first contest. As I promised you in my latest tutorial, in every video that I'm going to post on YouTube, I'm going to feature one of the designs that will use this Mr23 review when someone posts his artwork on Instagram. So as you can see, there are around 80 entries so far since my latest video, and I will choose one for today's feature. So my choice for today is this design by Arian Visuals. It's really simple, and it has just one character, but the lightning and the effects are just perfect. I really love everything. So congratulations Arian Visuals for creating this design, and I'm looking forward to see more of your work in the future. If you want to have your design featured in my videos, don't forget to use the tag Mr23 Review whenever you post your work on Instagram. At the end, I would like to thank everybody that participated in this contest, and also I couldn't have done this without your help. I'm really overwhelmed by the number of people that wrote me and gave me a lot of messages and supported this contest. And in about 2 weeks I'm going to post a new episode of a new contest from this Do It Better series with a new idea, and I'm sure that you'll love it a lot. So again, thank you so much for your support and see you next time.